Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. It's time for a quick check of what this first day of 2017 holds in store for us. And we'll start off with the northern lowveld, where some moisture has moved in overnight. That's also bringing in a possibility for a couple of light showers to the area. We've also had cloud cover thickening overnight for some areas along the east coast, but that will gradually thin out as the day warms up. While over the interior, we expect another hot afternoon for most areas under partly cloudy skies, and there'll be a few thunder showers for the Free States as well as the northwest. And we're also going to see thunderstorms developing quite far westwards into the Northern Cape, including around Uppington. No rain, on the other hand, for the Western Cape. Another hot and dry day for that province. The detailed rainfall forecast shows just very isolated thunder showers for some areas in the northwest. Somewhat better chances across the Northern Cape, not quite reaching the Springbok area. Those thunderstorms are going to develop well into the Eastern Cape, and those could even spread to some areas along the coastline of that province. For KwaZulu-Natal, only confined to the Drakensberg areas where a few thunderstorms could develop, and there we can see the showers that I mentioned earlier drifting into parts of the northern lowveld, but those will also clear out for later on. Temperatures today rising into the 30s all across the northern interior, except along parts of the Mpumalanga Highveld. It'll be milder, remaining below the 30-degree mark for most areas. Heading into the Free State, where temperatures are going to be high this afternoon. Similar conditions for the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Ladysmith, very hot, 37 degrees as a maximum. And it's going to be warm and humid all across the eastern coastline for today. We have northeasterly winds for Durban and Richards Bay, while a southwesterly wind is fresh at first for East London. That's going to gradually moderate as the day goes on. Temperatures remaining high once again over the southern interior. A couple of degrees cooler for Somerset East with a maximum of 35 degrees. There's even a small chance for thunder showers in that region. Along the south coast, it's another lovely day with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. Light winds for most areas, but we have a fresh southerly to southeasterly wind around Muizenberg and the rest of False Bay. The Northern Cape interior sees scorching hot conditions once again this afternoon. Kimberley and Springbok, 37 degrees is your maximum temperature. And along the coastline, it's going to be breezy, especially during the second half of the afternoon and into this evening. Alexander Bay averaging at 35 kilometers per hour. There's a southwesterly wind coming into Lambert's Bay. It's still going to be warm at 28 degrees, and a hot day lies ahead for Table Bay, although you can still expect it to be fairly gusty at times. Let's look ahead to tomorrow, when wet weather is going to be developing all across the western interior. Those thunder showers are going to be reaching parts of the southern coastline and towards East London. Sunny and hot weather in the forecast for much of KwaZulu-Natal, Gauteng, as well as northwards towards Limpopo. And it's going to be a partly cloudy and warm day for Cape Town with a high of 27. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your New Year's Day.